When we saw bombs in our square, it's a place where I live, where I born, where I work. It was the minute when you understand what's happened. Because lots of people haven't work, they haven't money to buy food.
The situation in Ukraine is absolutely a tragedy. We have millions of people displaced, families separated. We're supporting them with food, with cash, and with support to reach out to other services with our partners.
Знакомые сказали, что можно сюда подъехать, получить гуманитарную помощь.
Спасибо большое, потому что это очень хорошая помощь.
It's a good help. Thank you for all of us. Stop war in our country because it's difficult. Our parents, our children haven't houses, and when we will have ability to reconstruct it, it's only a question.